Alright, so this is the 8-horse Briggs motor that we've been messing with. Plan to put it on this mini bike. Can't really see it, but I'll get it out in a later video and show you. But yeah, that's what I want to put that on. It's gonna be a crazy build, so make sure to like and subscribe. I don't think I've ever seen a carburetor like this before. Yeah, so gonna clean her out. I'm gonna get her apart and then show you there. It's nasty, nasty. A carb cleaner in there. Yeah, this is definitely weird. I've never seen anything like this, but it's old, so. Yeah, pretty nasty. I'm gonna keep cleaning this. They're all cleaned out. The needle valve was stuck, but I got that unstuck, so that works now. Like I said, I have no idea anything about this carburetor. But it's as clean as it's gonna get for now. Not sure what any of this is. I don't think it has a jet. So, I don't know. Alright, so I guess I'm done with that, so. So, I've got the intake manifold and carburetor. That's all put together off of there, and the exhaust. So I guess we're gonna take a look in here. Ooh, the seal is broken. Ooh, not bad. Don't know what that is. I'm just gonna leave it. As long as nothing was broken, I was fine with it. I don't want to mess with anything in there and screw something up. I may know something about these engines, but I don't know a whole lot about this one. Ah, crap. Okay, well, I'm going to put this back together and then get back to you. Alright, so got the spark plug here, just cleaned it up. No spark, so I don't know. I guess take this off and get back to you. didn't have spark, so took off the cover. And I'm gonna take this off, I guess, and see what we got. Okay, well, she ran for a little bit. I didn't get to record it, but it ran. Throttle's got some problems, so I'll have to check that out. But I need to get pull starter working. The starter does work. Just wasn't getting enough power from this charger. So yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll just do some more work to it, and like I said, got to get the starter, because I think this one's not working, because I was messing with it and it's just not working. And new starter and a rope, and then we can try that, because it started up pretty quick. It just took a while of getting this to put out enough power to turn that, because it would be fine, and then it would hit the compression and it would just stop. Yo, what's up, guys? So I hope you liked the video. I tried really hard to get this one going. Sorry I wasn't able to record the actual motor running, because I was holding a bottle full of gas, and we put like a fitting on the bottom of it, and we had the hose running, so it was kind of hard. Couldn't really record and do it at the same time, because I was also hitting the throttle. And like I was saying in the showing you video after we ran it, the throttle's got some problems. Like, it's got a really late reaction, so like you can hit the throttle and then like a split second later, then it'll rev up, and it doesn't really, I don't know if it's the governor or what, but it's just got some problems. I figured I'd check it out. The pull starter, when I had the cover off, you might be able to see in the video, I had the cover in my lap and I was sitting there messing with it. It doesn't turn either way. So there's some problems there, but I'm gonna mess with the starter some more, try and get it to work, but probably gonna have to replace it because the spring's messed up too, so can't use that. Just getting her running. Like I said, I need to get a battery and like a switch. I'm thinking about key switch, probably just gonna do like a push button start or a flip switch, like a flip kill switch, and then a push button starts, and you can kill it. And then just mess with it some more and get her running. At least we know she runs, so just gotta buy new parts and stuff. I'm gonna drain the oil because it was really sludgy when I first got this motor, because it was sitting in the back corner of the shop. When I first got this motor out, it was missing one of the drain, like the oil fill plugs, and I saw that and I was like, I'm gonna check the oil because it's probably either empty or full of dust and stuff. And I stuck my finger down in there, and the first it was like liquid, and then as the further I went down in, it got to like sludge. So it's no good. We need to drain that out, and we might have to take the crankcase cover off to drain it out. But what I want to do is drain the oil and then take the crankcase cover off to look at it and see what she looks like. And it's just getting the bike out and seeing if she'll fit. And then there's like a bent up like piece of a pulley on there. Gonna have to take that off, and it's gonna be a pain getting that off, I imagine. But once we can get that off, it'll be pretty easy. Yeah. So that's it. Says she puts out, what was it? It was like 12.4 foot-pounds of torque. So not great, but I mean not terrible, definitely. 318.5 cc's and 8 whole horsepowers. I'm gonna show you a picture of the carburetor, because that was kind of a weird carburetor. My dad said something about it's called like an updraft carburetor. I've never seen anything like it, so I don't know. But yeah, that was the video for this Thursday. Tuesday I'll probably have a video maybe on the mini bike. If not on the mini bike, then it'll be a video on the GX240 go-kart. Got a lot of projects going on right now. Got the 240 go-kart, got the mini bike, just got to weld the foot peg back on for the mini bike, and that'll be the, then I can ride it again. And then we have the new old, really old engine and pretty old mini bike frame. So the 318 mini bike, that sounds weird. 8 horsepower. Yeah, so I'll try and get a video of it running up. Yeah, so I'll show you a picture of the carburetor right here. So yeah, it was really weird. I guess that's it. I will see you guys later. Peace.